Modernization through indigenization is the outcome of our quest for operating indigenously built platforms and supporting self-reliance that has resulted in significant progress on various systems.
देवियों एवं सज्जनों, एयर मार्शल जे चलपति विशिष्ट सेवा मेडल कमांडेंट वायु सेना अकादमी का आगमन हो रहा है।
दीक्षांत परेड सावधान।
Ladies and gentlemen, Air Marshal J. Chalapati, Vishish Seva Medal, Commandant Air Force Academy, has arrived. He was received by Air Vice Marshal D.K. Avasthi, Vishish Seva Medal, Deputy Commandant, Air Force Academy. दीक्षांत परेड जनरल सलामत शस्त्र। दीक्षांत परेड पेट्रोल शस्त्र। दीक्षांत परेड वीर श्रम। Now, we will give you some information about the institutions whose trainees are on the parade ground today. Air Force Station Hakimpet was established in August 1951. The advanced stage of fighter training is also conducted on Kiran Mark 1 aircraft at Fighter Training Wing, which is also at Air Force Station Hakimpet. In October 1973, Helicopter Training School was relocated from Jodhpur to Hakimpet. HTS has grown into the largest helicopter unit of Indian Air Force. The station is commanded by Air Commodore K.V. Surendran Nair. Air Force Station Yalhanka was established in 1963. The station is a chosen base for prestigious Aero India show since 1996. It is a well-known training base of Indian Air Force for training transport and helicopter aircrew of Air Force, Navy and Coast Guard on AN-32, Dornier, Avro and Mi-17. The deserted Second World War base at Yalhanka was revived and made fit for operations. As a vital training establishment, the station continues to produce the best of transport and helicopter aircrew. The station is commanded by Air Commodore Shailendra Sood, Vayu Sena Med. Air Force Station Begumpet is an old and established training institute of the Indian Air Force, operationalized in October 1951. It has housed the Navigation Training School since 1968. The expertise available at this institution was gainfully utilized not only by the Indian Air Force but a number of friendly air forces of many foreign countries. This institution also trains observers of the Indian Navy. Pre-flying training for pilots was also conducted at this base from 1986 to 2002. before it moved to its present location at Air Force Academy. The station is commanded by Air Commodore Mahesh Bhaskar Asarkar, Vishisht Seva Medal.
देवियों एवं सज्जनों, एयर मार्शल अरविंद्र सिंह बुटोला, वायुसेना मेडल, विशिष्ट सेवा मेडल, एयर ऑफिसर कमांडिंग इन चीफ, प्रशिक्षण कमान का आगमन हो रहा है।
दीक्षांत परेड सावधान।
Ladies and gentlemen, Air Marshal Arvinder Singh Butola, Vayu Sena Medal, Vishisht Seva Medal, Air Officer Commanding in Chief, Training Command has arrived. He was received by Air Marshal J. Chalapati.